Thank you, Chairman, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak on the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020. The main aim of the proposed bill is to increase professionalism and improving governance among the cooperative banks. And the introduction of the ordinance was initiated by primary two cases, the Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank of Goa Limited and the CKP Cooperative Bank Limited on May 2, 2020. But if you look at this particular ordinance in the bill, the main reason is the PMC bank crisis. Let me revisit what happened in PMC Bank. Around 9,24,000 depositors and 50,000 shareholders of the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank with 7 states, they were on moratorium because of the mismanagement of the management. The PMC bank debacle is not a normal banking failure, but a fraud committed by the PMC management. The bank did not classify these loans as non-performing advances despite non-payment. And this is purely because of lack of supervision of the RBI. The government should be accountable for these debts. There are about 63 persons who succumbed to the debt, including 3 suicide cases. And finally, the government has woken up and come with this amendment. But being brief, let me put some key issues in the bill which I would like to highlight. There are 7 key issues. Firstly, the Reserve Bank is being vested with more regulatory responsibilities, and the RBI's record of regulating banks and some NBFCs is mixed. There is no justification to make the RBI the regulator of district cooperative banks and urban cooperative banks. Number 2, if the ordinance becomes law, all the key financial intermediaries will become under the control of central government. There will be more centralization. We should strive for decentralization and empowering states. I am really surprised how some regional parties, they're supporting the bill where power from the state goes to the central government. Power to change the final structure of cooperative banks, enabling the vesting control in the hands of crony capitalists. Like everything else the government has been doing, I fear the airport Baba, who's been buying airports across the country, will come into these cooperative banks also. The role of state government is undermined. The bill undermines the ability of the state governments to regulate cooperative banks. By allowing RBI to have greater control, the disbursal of social welfare schemes to cooperatives might be disrupted. Number 5, the continuance of dual regulatory system. The RBI will have greater regulatory powers with respect to banking guidelines, while the Register of Cooperatives remains responsible for administration. Contrary to the spirit of financial inclusion, multiple regulatory factors will bog down the functioning of the cooperative mechanism. Misguided assumptions. All cooperative banks cannot function as commercial banks. Therefore, bringing cooperative banks under the ambit of Parent Act will limit the capacity as voluntary credit societies. And the number 7th point, the concern about the scheme for reconstruction. The enhanced powers of the RBI to initiate a scheme for reconstruction or amalgamation could lead to a scenario wherein the actual objective or function of a bank could be eroded. The cooperative banks are often set up by a particular group or profession with certain objectives of catering to a community or guild. It is a cause for concern that they may be merged in such a manner that the resulting entity could have no correlation with the original cooperative bank. A fisherman-promoted cooperative could be transferred to the hands of fish traders and non-fishermen. Let me quote something which Honorable Finance Minister quoted in the budget itself. Kainel Arutu Kovalan Koline, Arivudai Ventum, Neriarin through Koline, Parivu Thava, Edukam Pinam, Nachin, Yanai Puka, Pulam Pola, Thanum Unnam, Olagamun Kedume. This is from the same poem Honorable Minister, Speaker Ma'am has quoted. I'm finishing, wrapping up.
Srimati Sunita
During the
Duggal ji.
budget, and this says, a few mounds of rice from paddy that is harvested from a small piece of land would suffice for an elephant, but what if the elephant itself enters the eating?
Srimati
The government
Sunita Duggal ji.